everyone, welcome back. Is Candy Crush refusing to connect to Facebook, kicking you out the moment it tries, or stuck spinning on the connected screen? Here's the fix. First, log out of Facebook completely within the Candy Crush settings if you can reach them. Then, force close the app fully from your recent apps. Open Candy Crush again and try logging in from Facebook inside the app fresh. If it still won't connect, the most common hidden cause is that Facebook's permissions for Candy Crush app may have quietly expired. Since Facebook automatically expires third-party app access after 90 days of inactivity, then go ahead and open the Facebook app and then go to the settings in Facebook. Then scroll down to find apps and websites. Once you find it, click on it and then check if Candy Crush shows as expired or removed. If it does, you'll need to reconnect it from there before the game can sync again. Also, go to your iPhone settings and then scroll down to the list of apps and find Candy Crush Saga and make sure both background app refresh and cellular data are turned on, since a weak connection during the handshake with Facebook is another common cause of this failure. So all you've got to do is log out and back in fresh, check if Facebook's app permissions expired after 90 days, and confirm your connection settings. Facebook connects again and that's it. Subscribe.